How to apply for OneCard credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's card video I'll simply show you how you can apply for OneCard credit card. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to apply for OneCard credit card, what you need to do is first of all go ahead and then open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you just want to go to get1card.app URL. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. You can check that out if you want to. Once you go to get1card.app URL, what you want to do is here you'll find the option called say hi to OneCard. Now if you'd like to apply it, all you have to do is click on the apply now button. You can apply it also from your iPhone or from your Google Play Store's app as well. But once you go over here in this page, choose the option called get OneCard now. The very first thing you have to do is just simply go ahead and enter your mobile number. So once you enter your mobile number, agree to the terms and conditions, and then just select the option called get OTP. When you choose the option called get OTP, it is going to send a verification code to you, and once you get the verification code, it will ask you for some other personal details such as your billing addresses and so on, your address details as well as your credit assessment, and if they think that you're eligible for the credit card, you will successfully receive your credit card on your chosen date as well. And that's all it takes to apply for OneCard credit card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.